For many, repeated column names inside a data warehouse represent the exact same data, whether that is the first name, last name, or order ID. Since they represent the exact same data, their description is usually the exact same too. Instead of having to update each and every instance of these manually, Playbooks allows you to automate the process, saving tons of manual work and keeping those descriptions up to date whenever new assets come in. Clicking on the governance icon on the left-hand navigation and clicking on Playbooks takes us to the Playbooks page. Clicking on the Create New button brings the Playbooks creation pop-up. In this case, we want to add a specific description to all our columns with the name of order ID. So we enter description update for order ID -weekly for the name. We click on Create and the Playbooks creation page opens. Since we are only updating a single description, we enter the name of the playbook as the name of the rule. For filters, we add our first with the attribute type of asset type, operator of is one of, and we select column. Since we are only looking to update the descriptions in our Snowflake warehouse, we add a second filter with the attribute of connector, is one of as the operator, and choose Snowflake. Next, we add a third filter with the attribute of name from the properties options, select equals as the operator as we want an exact match, and enter in the value of our column name, order ID. Finally, we can limit the update in two ways, depending on our choice. We could limit so that we ensure that any column with this name in Snowflake that already has the exact description we are going to update them to is not selected for processing by creating a new filter, going to the properties option and selecting description as the attribute, and then select not equal for the operator and enter in the description for the value. Or if we wanted to just make sure that those that did not already have a value are updated, we can put the operator of is empty. In this case, we will select is empty. Our asset matches update, and by clicking on View All, we're able to validate that only order ID columns are shown. Everything looks perfect. We go to the actions and select description as the action type. The only option for the operator is update, so that is kept. And we enter the description that we want all of our order ID columns to be updated to. We click Next to take us to the scheduling page. Here, we update the recurrence to weekly and select Sunday. We select 11 as we know that not only do our workflows for connectors end by 8, but we also do not have any other playbooks running at this time. We click Complete, and our playbook is saved and scheduled. We have now ensured that not only will all our descriptions for order ID be updated on the first run of this playbook where they have not yet been enriched, but if new instances of the column are created in Snowflake and not enriched, they will be automatically enriched using this playbook.